10 मिनट बुक रीडिंग सेशन में आप सभी को स्वागत है। 5 मिनट बुक रीडिंग सेशन में ऑलरेडी हमने मैग्नीफाइड नर्व सेल तक हमने ख़त्म कर दिया था, तो आज हम यहाँ से पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, टाइम को स्टार्ट करते हैं दोबारा। 10 मिनट लगाते हैं। ठीक है, आई थिंक टाइमर फिक्स कर देने से ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा। नाउ टाइमिंग स्टार्ट हो चुका है। द specialized function of nerve cell is to transmit electrical signal, मतलब nerve impulse. These are integrated and coordinated, allowing the millions of nerve cells in the body to provide a rapid and sophisticated communication system. In complex organisms such as the human body, cells with similar structure and function are found together, forming the tissue. The structure and function of a cell and tissue are explored in chapter number 3. Organs are made up of a number of different types of tissue and have evolved to carry out a specific function, जो कि फिगर नंबर 1.2 में शो करता है। ये 1.1 है, तो 1.2 में ये शो करता है। ये हो गया हमारा फिगर। ओके, नाउ shows that the stomach is lined by a layer of epithelial tissue and that its wall contains layer of smooth muscle tissue. Both tissue contribute to the function of the stomach, but in different ways. System consists of a number of organs and tissue that together contribute to one or more survival needs of the body. For example, the stomach is one of the several organs of the digestive system, which has its own specific function. The human body has several systems which work independently, carrying out specific functions. All are required for the health. The structure and function of the body system are considered in latter chapter, that is 1.1. Okay. Now, the internal environment and homeostasis. learning outcome क्या है? After studying this section, you should be able to define the term of internal environment and homeostasis, compare and contrast negative and positive feedback control mechanism, outline the potential consequences of homeostatic imbalances. ठीक है, now the external environment surround the body and is the source of oxygen and nutrient required by all body cell. Waste product of cellular activity are eventually excreted into the external environment. The skin, chapter number 14 में हम पढ़ेंगे, provides an effective barrier between the body tissue and the consistently changing, often hostile external environment. The internal environment is the water-based medium in which the body cell exists. Cells are bathed in fluid called as interstitial or tissue fluid. They absorb oxygen and nutrients from the surrounding interstitial fluid, which in turn has absorbed these substances from the circulating blood. Conversely, cellular waste diffuse into the bloodstream via the interstitial fluid. and are carried in the blood to the appropriate excretory organ. Now, each cell each cell is enclosed by its plasma membrane, which provides a selective barrier to substances entering or leaving. This property called selective permeability allows the cell मतलब प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन जो कि पेज नंबर 32 में हम पढ़ेंगे to control the entry or exit of many substances, thereby regulating the composition of internal environment. Several mechanisms are involved. Particle size is important as many small molecule, example हो गया water, can pass freely across the membrane while large one cannot, and many therefore be confined to either the interstitial fluid or the intracellular fluid. Figure number 1.3a. Pores or specific channel in the plasma membrane admit certain substances but not other. Figure number 1.3b. The membrane is also studded with specialized pump or carrier that import or export specific substances. Figure number 1.3c. Selective permeability ensure that the chemical composition of the fluid inside cell is different from the interstitial fluid that bathed them. Now, example of a physiological variable: core temperature, water and electrolyte concentration, pH मतलब acidity, alkalinity of a body fluid, blood glucose level, blood and tissue oxygen and carbon dioxide level, blood pressure. Example of a physiological variable ये सब आएगा. well being of the individual. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमने ख़त्म किया था. There is a serious risk to the well-being of the individual. So boxes 1.1 जो कि ये है, list some important physiological variable maintained within narrow limit by homeostatic control mechanism. Now control system. So homeostasis is maintained by control system that detect and respond to changes in the internal environment. A control system has three basic components: detector, control center and effector. The control center determines the limit within which the variable factor should be maintained. It receives an input from the detector or sensor and integrates the incoming information. When the incoming signal indicates that an adjustment is needed, the control center responds and its output to the effector is changed. This is a dynamic process that allows constant readjustment of many physiological variables. Nearly all are controlled by negative feedback mechanism. Positive feedback is much less common but important. Examples include control of uterine contraction during childbirth and blood clotting. Now negative feedback mechanism, figure 1.4. Negative feedback means that any movement of such a control system away from its normal set point is negative, मतलब reversed. If a variable rises, negative feedback brings it down again, and if it falls, negative feedback bring it back up to normal level. The response to a stimulus therefore reverses the effect of that stimulus, keeping the system in a steady state and maintaining homeostasis. Control of body temperature is similar to the non-physiological example of a domestic central heating system. The thermostat मतलब temperature detector is sensitive to change in room temperature मतलब variable factor. The thermostat is connected to the boiler control unit मतलब control center which control the boiler मतलब effector. The thermostat constantly compares the information from the detector with the preset temperature and when necessary adjustment are made to alter the room temperature. तो आज के लिए हमने यहाँ तक इसको पढ़ा है, ठीक है। when necessary तक हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है। मिलते हैं किसी अगले लेक्चर में। टिल देन थैंक यू, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।